Hey friends, we are headed to Frankie's Fun Park. It's a rainy day today, so we're just gonna pretty much be inside. DJ, you ready for Frankie's? DJ,
that's not a good
you ready
question.
for Frankie's?
Yeah.
Do it with some excitement.
Yeah! They have 50 seconds to play. 45, I mean. I can't believe Mom only has a score of 2.
Bruh.
They have half a minute left. What? How? It hit the rim. Seven. Oh, only 4? What? Only 4? 0. Score 7. Alright, it should be me and you now.
It's stuck because the balls keep getting stuck. But DJ's in first place. Daddy came back and won. About to start bowling. I cannot bowl at all. DJ is way better than me. I will probably quit after the 3rd time and go back and play some more arcade games, but we'll see. To make a
Please not going on.
Look how he throws so hard. What did you say?
8.
Look at your dance, man. Well, that ball already hurt my Lucky.
Get a strike. We got 7.
So DJ won. Here's the final score: 115 to 78 to 55.
No, 111.
Oh, 111 to 78 to 55. I can't tell what the score is. Let me see, DJ. Who won? I got 44. What daddy get? 43. Good try, Dad. Maybe next time. Yeah, you won, DJ. DJ, you won.
Yeah.
You know what he did?
Daddy lost.
He took it off for the other one before it turned light up. So he was shooting them. He was trying to anticipate the one that was lighting first.
We're done with Frankies. We didn't get to do the go-karts or anything outside because it's raining. Whew, when I tell y'all I am tired, we played the basketball like 15 times. My arms gonna be sore tomorrow. My arms are gonna be so sore tomorrow. We pretty much did all of the arcade games. We did bowling, as you saw. We didn't do anything outside, so we're probably gonna come back. Maybe, I don't know, maybe in a few weeks, and go do the go-karts and do the bumper cars and the laser tag. Turn that off, DJ. And the laser tag. But we about to go get something to eat now from Texas Roadhouse, and then we're gonna be headed home because I am tired. My arms hurt already, my back hurt, and it's time for me to go to sleep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.